Amanda.
And I'm Devin.
And this is your marketing moment.
Yes, your marketing moment today is blogging. Do you really have to do it? Is it really necessary? Why do I have to do it?
We have a lot of clients ask us that all the time. Do I really have to do it? Do I really have to pay someone to do it for me? Like, it just seems like a pain. And unfortunately, the answer is
yes.
It's essential.
Absolutely. And, you know, it's not that we think it's going to drive a bunch of leads, right? It's for the search engine crawlers. Those blog posts are riddled with lots of good information about the services you provide. So there's keywords that naturally happen, which is great. But the other thing that happens is you have fresh content on your website. So a website that's updated frequently is another trust signal to the Google gods. So that's important. And in addition, like, this gives you something to share on social media, sharing on social.
Establish yourself as an authority in your particular field.
Yes, absolutely. So yeah, the short answer is yes, you have to do it, whether one person reads it or no actual human reads it, and it's just read by search engine crawlers. You have to do it.
And one more thing to note, we, at the end of each year, we sit down and do really detailed analysis of our clients' performance. And it's always really interesting to look at what blogs do, in fact, contribute to some of those leads, though. So while they're not all going to, sometimes you will end up finding that one of them is kind of your golden goose of really interesting information that people are really do digest and end up completing your lead form. So
that's true.
It can kind of, it's going to help you with SEO, but it can in fact help with some conversions.
That is true, actually. And I just thought of one of our clients who got picked up for the Google Discover cards, which you open the Google app on your phone and you get served those little stories. We've written content that have gotten picked up for those cards, which just increases your traffic, like, I don't know, 2,000%. Like, it's crazy. And then a lot of those do lead to conversions because they start kind of clicking through and seeing your other blog content. And then, you build that trust with the customer. So blog content helps really with people at the very top of the funnel. And sometimes, depending on the topic of the blog, it helps with, someone that's at the bottom of the funnel. You just never know which topic is going to be sticky. So if you do it weekly,
you gotta do it, and it can really have a positive impact on your business.
Yeah, this was a really long marketing moment, but it's over now.
Thanks, guys.